Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we will learn lesson 34. Sağolashlar, yaxshimisizlar? Endi shu bizning oldin qatim o'rgangan 33-darsning davomi, yana 34-dars. What are they doing? Okay, what are they doing? Ular nima ish qilyapti degan dars o'qiymiz. Xo'sh, undaqda avval shu darsimizdagi bir necha ham so'zlarni o'rganib chiqaylik. Birinchisi nima desanglar? Sleep. Okay, sleep. Okay, sleep. Alright. Endi men so'zabroq o'qiymiz, nima? Sleep. Good. Ana sleep deganimiz nima desanglar? Uxlamoq. Okay, endi qaranglar. O maqbola nima ish qilyapti? Okay, he is sleeping now. Okay, he is sleeping now. U hozir qanday qilyapti? Uxlayapti. He is sleeping now. Okay, and that where do you sleep? Okay, where qayerda do you sleep? Do degan yerdan chiqib oldingi keng darslarimiz bilan so'zlaymiz. Where do you sleep? Siz nerede uxlaysiz? Okay, siz nerede uxlaysiz demakchi. Nerede armalsiz? Shunami? Okay, where is he sleeping? Okay, endi men he is sleeping dedim, shunami? U uxlayapti. Endi buni alohida savol jumlaga aylantirsak, where is he sleep? Where deganimiz qayer emasmi? U nerede uxlayapti? Yani he is sleeping in the bedroom. Okay. U nerede uxlayapti? In the bedroom. Bedroom deganimiz yataq qo'yish, nima? U yataq qo'yida uxlayapti. Endi savodashlar taqinglar. U mehmonxonada uxlayapti. He is sleeping in the living room. Okay, living room deganimiz nima? Mehmonxona. Mehmonxona. Shunami? Okay, and the mashqisi they aren't sleeping. Okay, ular ma ana bilan bola qanday qilmoqda? Uxlamayotibdi. Shunami? They aren't sleeping. Okay, they aren't sleeping. Ular uxlamayotibdi. Demak, sleep degan uxlamoq, shunami? Amsa men uxlayapman desak nima deymiz savodashlar? Dabaqinglar? Okay, dabaqinglar, men uxlayapman. I am sleeping. Okay. Undaqda siz nima ish qilyapsiz degan nima deydi? Siz nima ish qilyapsiz? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Siz nima ish qilyapsiz? What are you doing? Okay. Men uxlayapman. I am sleeping. U uxlayapti. He is sleeping. Agar o qizcha qolib qolsa, she is sleeping. Okay. Next one is shave. Okay. Shave. What the name? Air ekan go. Shave. Good. Shave. Okay. So what is he doing? Okay. What is he doing? Arkadaşlar o neymiş koyup da? Okay. He is shaving now. All right. He is shaving now. O qanday qilyapti? Saqilini elavyapti. He is shaving now. Okay, he is shaving now. So does he shave every morning? Okay. Does he shave every morning? Or ertagin saqilini olamdi? Okay, endi men oddiy hozir qilamankan. Mazmunni oldin kirgizib qo'ydik. Sizlarning iddiaga tayyorlik bo'lsin deb. Yana bir necha darsdan keyin biz shu zamon ustida to'xtalamiz. U har kun saqilni olamdi. Demak, endi odatga aylangan ishlarga nisbatan shuni ishlatamiz. Masalan, burunmi qilgan, hozirmi qilgan, ham kelgusi qilgan. Demak, u saqilni olamdi. Does he shave every morning? Okay. Okay, who is shaving in the bathroom? Okay. In the bathroom deganimiz nima desanglar? Tozliq qo'yish, nima? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Okay, tozliq qo'ydi. Kim saqal elyapti? Demak, men alohida savol aylandim. Who is, nima? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Tozliq qo'ydi. Kim saqal elyapti? Who is shaving in a bathroom? Okay. All right, next one is cry. Cry. Okay, cry. Okay, and a cry. So look at those pictures. What are they doing? Ular nima ish qilyapti? What are they doing? Desa, nima ish qilyapti? They are crying. Okay, they are crying. And the bonus savol cheklar, are they crying now? Are they crying now? Ular yig'lawatamdu? Yes, they are. No, bosscha. No, they aren't. They aren't crying now. Ular yig'lamayapti. Lekin ular qanday qo'yibdi? Yig'layapti deb jar olmoqlar. They are crying. They are crying. Yes, they are. They are crying now. Okay, the baby doesn't cry at night. Okay, the baby doesn't cry. Qilmaydi, nimishqa? Yig'lamaydi at night. Kechalari u vaqt yig'lamaydi demakchi, davomli shu ishning bo'lmaydiganligini bildirdi. Hargiz bir kecha emas. Har kecha. Har kuni kecha. Demakchi, har kecha bu vaqt qanday qilmaydi ekan, yig'lamaydi ekan. The baby doesn't cry at night. Bu vaqt kechada qanday qilmaydi? Yig'lamaydi. Demak, cry yig'lamoq. Okay, crying yig'layotdi. Okay, she is crying. He is crying too. U yig'layotdi. Demak, they are crying. Demak, ular yig'layotdi. U yig'layotdi. Demak, ular yig'layotdi. Shunami? He is crying. He is crying too. They are crying. Cry, cry. All right, next one is wash. 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 Okay. And wash yumak. Shunami? Wash. Deganimizdan bo'ldi yumak. Masalan, she's washing her face. Okay. She's washing her face. U qanday qilyapti? Yuzini yuvayapti. Okay. She is washing her face. Okay. And the macho, is he washing the car? All right, look. Is he washing the car? U mashinani yuvatamdi? Yes, he is. He is washing the car. U mashinani yuvatdi. Is he washing the car? Yes, he is. He is washing the car. Yo'q, mashina u mashina yumayapti. So he isn't washing the car. Okay, he isn't washing the car. U mashina yumayapti. Yo'q, u mashina yumayapti. He isn't washing the car. All right, wash. And the macho. Bu bola nima ish qilyapti bolalar? Bu bola opsi bilan billa qanday qilyapti? Kir yuvayapti. Okay, endi billa degan nima bo'lgan ekan-da? With. Shunami? With degan billa, with his mother. Amsa baqlar u opsi bilan kir yuvayapti. Shunami? He is washing clothes with his mother. Yaxshi. He is washing clothes with his mother. Okay. And the ubala dapto nim dapto. I am washing the clothes with my mother. Okay. Man apam bilan billa kiyim kechak yuvayapman. I am washing the clothes. Okay. The clothes with my mother. Demek, men apam bilan billa kiyim kechak yuvayapman. Yuvayapman. Amsa men apam bilan billa kiyim kechak yuvatamdim desak savolga aylanishi. Am I washing the clothes with my mother? Siz yuvatsiz. Yes, you are. Voy, yo'q, siz yumayapsiz. No, you aren't. Demak, you are not. Okay, you are not. Demak, I'm the wash. Okay, nima? Yumaq. And wash her face. Face deganimiz nima? Yuz. Yuzini yumaq. Washing her face. Washing clothes bo'lsa, the clothes kiyim kechak. Kiyim kechaklarni qanday qilmoq? Yumaq. Demak, bola wash meyadik nima? Yumaq.